Hi friends, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a brand new video. So today it's going to be super chill, super relaxed because you're gonna watch me dye my hair, and while I do that, I am going to be answering your juicy questions. I asked you over on my Instagram to send over any question that you had. I have them pulled up here on my laptop because I am filming on my phone. So you're gonna watch me dye my hair, I'm gonna answer your questions, and we're gonna be drinking wine together. So grab your wine or grab your beer or whatever you like to drink, preferably an alcoholic beverage, because it is almost 8 o'clock. It is mommy time and I just want to spend time with you guys. Okay, so cheers, and let's jump right into today's video. So it is that time of the month, not that one but the other one, when I need to retouch my hair. I usually do this maybe like once every 3 weeks, más o menos. What I like to use is the Gladol Root Touch Up Color Blend. This is in the shade Black. That's what I like to use. And I'm just touching up my roots. I'm not doing anything else. I'm going to take my little brush. All you have to do is literally mix your products in. And then you mix. And then you just apply it to the roots, and that's it. It's super easy, super simple. And this lasts me maybe 3 weeks. And I like to just take mine. I don't like to put it directly on my scalp because this can be irritating, even though I don't have a sensitive scalp, but I just like to, you know, be a little aware. Somebody asked me, what is your favorite comfort meal? Oh my gosh. I'm so glad somebody asked this because my favorite comfort meal in general would have to be sopas. I am a huge broth girly. I love broths. I love pho, caldo de albóndigas, caldo de res, caldo de pollo, caldo de siete mares, hot pot, anything that is soupy. That is my comfort food. Anytime I have a stomach ache, I'm sick, I'm not feeling well, like my husband already knows that if he brings me home pho, immediately in a better mood. I don't know, there's something about broths that just like make me feel so like cozy and good, and I swear they make me feel better. Menudo, pozole, of course I can't forget those. All of that I love. I guess just soups in general. Somebody asked me if I'm having any more kids. Absolutely not. I do not want any more kids. I always said that I only wanted 2 kids, and I could not be more blessed with the kids that I have. Leilani is an amazing kid. She has great grades at school. She is such an active, athletic girl. She is amazing at volleyball. She does basketball. She wants to do flag football. She's just a go-getter. She's literally like her daddy. And then Lincoln, he's just, he's the sweetest boy. He's smart, he's funny, he's charming. He has a whole little personality, and I live for it. So as far as more kids, no. Someone asked, or someone is asking, I struggle with posting consistent. Any tips? Honestly, I think it just comes down to discipline. When you are an influencer, and for me, I do this full time. This is the only job that I have. So if I'm not working, if I'm not posting, I'm not making money, okay? Make sure that you know what content you're gonna be posting. If it helps to have a planner, I have a planner and a calendar, and that just helps me stay organized with the days that I'm gonna post. This is what I'm gonna post today. This is what I need to edit. This is what I need to film. But again, I think it just really comes down to discipline. That's all. The reality of it is discipline. Someone asked, how was your journey with bites, and are you happy with the results? Yes, I love my smile now. The only thing that I have to say is that ever since I did get aligners, I've noticed that I clench my jaw a lot, especially when I have my aligners on or in. I clench my teeth a lot, or I clench my jaw a lot, and then it's I feel like my bite now is a little bit uneven, so it's really hard for me to like open things with my teeth, which I know you shouldn't do that anyways, but it's kind of annoying. You know, when you're taking off that skin from your cuticles, I can't do that anymore because my bite is not, it's uneven, I should say. But I do love the results. It was such an amazing journey, and it gave me so much confidence. Like, even if my my bite is uneven, like, I really don't care, because I feel like my teeth have just made such a difference in my confidence. Like, I smile more. I actually smile in my pictures, and overall, I love it. I don't have any regrets. I'm gonna let this sit for about 10 minutes. Meanwhile, I'm gonna finish my wine, and then I'm gonna answer the rest of the questions that y'all asked. So my friend Gigi asked me, what is your favorite setting powder? My favorite setting powder, my love, is the One Size translucent setting powder. I love that. I love the way that it really blurs out the skin. I feel like Patrick Starr, because he is a male, he knows and understands skin texture, large pores, excess sebum, all that stuff. So a lot of his products are geared towards oily skin, large pores, texture, and it's amazing because I suffer from large pores and oily skin. Thankfully, I don't have texture on my skin anymore, if any. That's because of tretinoin. Tretinoin has literally changed my skin. But my favorite setting powder is that one, and then the Polite Society. Oh, chef's kiss. My friend Gigi also asked, how are you? I love that question. I feel like it's so deep, even though it's such a simple question. And I am so good, you guys. I am genuinely so happy with my marriage. I'm happy with the mom I've become. I'm happy with my business. I'm happy with my YouTube channel. I'm happy with my social media. Like, I feel like I'm in such a good headspace right now, even though at this moment, I'm not stressed, but I'm definitely busy because I am pre-filming so much so I can leave content up for you guys when I do go on vacation. And trust me, I'm going to enjoy my vacation, even if it means just chilling at my sister's house for an entire day or hanging out with my best friend. That is a vacation to me, okay? So I'm doing really, really good. I'm really happy. I'm in a good mental state, and I'm thankful. Thank you, Jesus, for providing for my family. Thank you, Jesus, for just giving me a healthy, happy home. And just thank you, Jesus, for all the blessings. What editing software do I use? I use a Final Cut Pro for most of my videos that I film on YouTube. I also use iMovie for a lot of my thumbnails. I use CapCut for pretty much my Instagram and my TikTok. And then I use PicMonkey for all my thumbnails that you see on YouTube. Somebody asked me as well how me and my husband met, and I already said that. But they asked if we had a wedding, and no, we did not have a wedding. I was never that girl that dreamt about a wedding, okay? I never grew up with like the fairy tale of a white dress with a big, I was never that person, and I'm still not that person. I don't know, I think I'm just very like simple-minded when it comes to those things. So we didn't have a wedding. We literally got married in Vegas, which I feel like it's so iconic. I would not share the pictures with you guys though, because I look horrible. I was so sick. I was pregnant with Lincoln, and I had the worst morning sickness, so I look like a zombie. I look horrible, but it's a great memory that I will forever cherish. Somebody asked, do you get bored working from home? And I don't. I am a huge homebody. Also, Lincoln keeps me on my toes. I'm not always just like sitting down and filming. I'm literally filming, and then he'll be like, Mom, I'm hungry. Stop recording. Go downstairs, make him food. And then, you know, he'll have his lunch, his dinner, his snack, come upstairs, and then keep filming. And then when I'm done filming, I go downstairs, I do what I gotta do, and then I come back upstairs and I edit. So I don't get bored because it's not just like long periods of time that I'm just sitting down. So it's fun, I guess. Okay, my time is almost up, so I'm gonna answer one more question. Somebody asked, how many tattoos do you have and what do they mean? So I have 1, 2, 3, and then I have 4. Oh, and then I have one here, 5. So I'm gonna show them to you guys. So this one says Amor Eterno, which if you listen to Spanish music, if you know Spanish, this is the song from Rocío Durcal. She sang this song. So this song was originally written by Gabriel Iglesias. I think that's his name. Juan Gabriel, sorry. Not Gabriel Iglesias, that's the comedian. Juan Gabriel, he wrote this song after his mom passed away. It is a terribly sad song, and I got it in memory of my brother that passed away when I was only like 2 years old. My dad used to sing his heart out when my brother passed away. So I got this to commemorate my brother. And then this one says Daddy's Little Princess. It has my dad's name, his date of birth, and when he passed away. But anyway, so that's what those mean. And then this one is just a sword. I don't know why I got that, okay? It's dumb. It looks like a scratch. Somebody said that it looks like a little sandwich sword. I agree. This one on the back, it's my name that I got when I was 14. Don't ask me what I was doing at 14 years old because, girl, my life was a mess. I got my name tattooed out of all things. I don't know what I was thinking. Obviously, I wasn't thinking. I was a 14-year-old crazy girl. So I got my name tattooed. And then me and my sisters recently got this tattoo. So it's 3 out of 3. My older sister got this one filled in. Since I'm the middle one, I got this one, and then my younger sister got this one filled in. So it's just a tattoo between me and my sisters, and I love it. I need to go wash this off because look at how big of a mess I made. I'm the worst at dyeing my hair. So that is the end of today's Q&A/dye my hair with me. If you guys have any more questions, or if you guys want me to film another video in the future, I love doing these. They're so fun, and I don't do them often. So if you guys are new to my channel and you have more questions, let me know, and maybe I can do like a mukbang, like we can eat some sushi or some pho. I don't know, just an excuse to eat some more. But let me know if you guys want to see more Q&As. Yeah, that's it for today. I love you guys so much. Stay safe, and until next time, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Cheers.